President Rodrigo Duterte has just given a public address earlier. Here's Rosalie Cos to tell us why live. Yes, Rosalie.
Arlene, President Rodrigo Duterte in his public address said that quarantine restrictions are a big help to combat the spread of COVID-19 infections with less movement of people. One important development also is the awareness of the public. People follow that meant a lot and contributed to what is happening now, and there's flattening of cases. Local chief executives played a vital role in the COVID-19 response. President Duterte salutes them for doing their duty well. But despite the positive development, we should still be vigilant, he said. The president underscored that the lessening of contamination is not because COVID-19 is gone. It's there floating around us, but what has happened is that people are following protocols. He highlighted that wearing a face mask is one important factor. The key to winning against COVID-19 is the collective resolve of the people to be healthy and follow protocols. President Duterte also made mention of his decision to grant absolute pardon to U.S. Marine Lance Corporal Joseph Scott Pemberton. He said he's not favoring anybody, either Pemberton or Laudes family. He underscored that the basic is when you talked about good behavior, everything will be accounted for. That's part of you being in prison. And it's not Pemberton's fault if there's no record and if there's no computation. He said we should allow him the good character presumption. He told Executive Secretary Salvador Medialdea and Justice Secretary Minato Guevara it's his decision to pardon. He said, quote, "Correct me if I'm wrong, you have not treated Pemberton fairly," unquote. And that pardon cannot be questioned very well. Meanwhile, Justice Secretary Guevara gave an update on their investigation against PhilHealth corruption and anomalies. He said by September 14, they shall be able to submit their reports to President as well as the recommendations, including the possible filing of criminal and administrative cases against PhilHealth officials and personnel involved in the corruption and anomalies. President Duterte, on the other hand, expressed his full trust and confidence to Health Secretary Duque amid the PhilHealth controversies. He advised the health chief not to resign. In the end, Harleen, National Task Force Chief Implementer Secretary Carlito Galvez has recommended to President Duterte to place Bacolod City and Lanao del Sur under stricter community quarantine, which is modified enhanced community quarantine or MPCQ. But we're still awaiting for the details if the president has approved it. Harleen?
So, Rosalie, as the president is in Manila, what are his schedules?
Well, Harleen, we just received a statement from the palace that the president was able to talk to outgoing U.S. Ambassador Sung Kim. And also he had a telephone conversation with outgoing Japanese Prime Minister Shinzo Abe. So the president is in Manila. He has full schedule of meetings as well as phone conversations.
Thank you so much, Rosalie Cos, for that report.